Subaru has revealed a new concept at the Tokyo Auto Salon that adds STI styling to the recently launched Impreza hatchback. The concept, which is finished in Sunblaze Pearl paint, features a subtle body kit and a center-mounted dual exhaust system, giving it a sportier look at the back. The car also sits on STI-branded black alloy wheels and has been fitted with a new roof-mounted spoiler, winglets on the rear bumper, beefier side skirts and glossy black trim pieces. However, there has been no official word from Subaru on any potential changes to the car's powertrain or suspension. For those who may need a reminder, the 2024 Impreza available in the US comes with a 2.0-liter base engine that generates 152 horsepower and 145 pounds-foot of torque. Additionally, there is an option for a 2.5-liter engine that produces 182 horsepower and 178 pounds-foot of torque. The Japanese version of the Impreza is powered by a hybrid 2.0-liter powertrain, and both versions are equipped with all-wheel drive and a continuously variable transmission.